Hi, rising sixth graders. This is Mrs. Schreiber here. It is week 3 for a summer class for math. And week 3, the topic we are covering and reviewing is place value, including place value for the decimal places. I'm going to just do a real brief video today because I think what some of the links and the charts I'm going to post will be pretty helpful for you. So I don't think the video needs to be too long this week. So this is what you're basically going to be doing this week, watching this video, which you're doing right now, taking the place value hockey practice as many times as you want. I would definitely do level 3. I mean, you could start out at level 1 and 2, but try to get to level 3 because level 3 has those decimals place values in there, and definitely, we want you to practice those. There's going to be a worksheet that's posted that I'd like for you to have done by the end of the week. And then a web math, as always, what you have every week, the web math link where you take those multiple choice questions and you do them as many as you can in a minute. Do it 3 times, record your 3 scores, and submit that form. So the purpose of step 4 and 5 is that I'm going to be keeping a little chart from your first time to your last time. So if some of you guys might be doing this every week for 10 weeks, and hopefully we'll see that you have a lot of growth here. Okay. So let's just refresh your memory about place value. I know you guys already did this before, but sometimes you forget. And I'm going to be posting a chart, a visual chart for you to look at that's actually even better than this one. Number 1, because it's not my handwriting. And number 2, it actually goes higher. It goes up to the millions column. But because of space, I just went up to the thousands. Limited space, I went up to the thousands. So I'm just going to go through each of these columns and read them to you, and then we'll go through practice with some of the numbers. So this is the thousands column, hundreds column, tens, ones, decimal point. So to the left of the decimal point is the ones column. To the left of that is the tens column, the hundreds column, and the thousands column. So we would read that 3,642. Then there's a decimal point. After the decimal point, to the right of the decimal point, the first column is the tenths column. That has a THS at the end. To the right of that is the hundredths column. And then the thousandths column is to the right of that. So 157 thousandths. Okay. So I'm going to ask you a couple of these and we're going to review. So which number is in the ones column? And you're going to say 2. Which number is in the tens column? Just answer this in your head. 4. Which number is in the tenths column? 1. Which number is in the thousands column? 3. Which number is in the thousandths column? 7. Which number is in the hundredths column? 5. Which number is in the hundreds column? 6. And I think that we did them all. Okay. So that's basically your review. And so like I said, I'm going to post a chart. I'd like for you to look over that chart. And if you want, you can copy the chart onto a piece of paper and use it while you're doing your place value hockey if you need to. Once you finish and feel confident with level 3, please work on the worksheet and have that done by the end of the week. I'll post the answer key at the end of the week. And also, please do the web math multiplication tables 3 times this week. Okay, if you have any questions, I will have a Google Meet posted on Wednesday at 9:30 a.m.